You can expect a lot from the 2018 Ford Fusion. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, and power front seats. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.